back with part 2 of my 2-step install guide. Back on the GoPro, not going to switch over to DSLR because the GoPro is pretty decent right now. But like I said, part 2. Hopefully you just saw me cut up the or chop together the unboxing, so you already know what we got going on. But if you don't know, and if I didn't do that, which I'll be upset in the editing, we have this huge paddle shifters, whatever you want to call them. They're add-ons to your current 6th Gen 1. Unfortunately for the 1LE, the 1LEs, you don't have the option to option out the color, basically red paddle shifters. On the Corvettes you can get colors for your paddles, but on the Camaros I think you can only get red. I'm pretty sure the 50th anniversary they probably let you get that orange, but on the 1LE that wasn't an option at all, so we resort to Chinese products. This is what took so long for this part of the install, or for this particular install video, was just because it came all the way from China. You can see 2016, 2017, something. So I don't know what that says, but it came all the way from China. I've seen it on a couple buddies' cars, and I'm gonna throw this on right now. So let's go ahead and get into it. All right, so we're back in the car. If you see any obstruction, it's my Pro Clip USA clip from my phone. If you haven't seen that video, check that one out. That one's gonna go up first before this one. But got the paddles. They're pretty well, they're anodized. They look like they're pretty well done. So I'm just gonna slide it on there just for sizing. And I know you guys can't see this right now. I'll probably switch your view here in a minute. But just checking it out. Give you guys a quick look at everything before we deep dive. Basically all you're using is 3M adhesive tape. Whichever side they go on, they're identical, so you just kind of put them on there. I would recommend cleaning your paddles, which is exactly what I'm about to do right now. If you want to clean your paddles, Windows Garage all-purpose cleaner if you want some. Discount code down in the description. But you want to clean your paddles. You don't want these to come off, especially while you're driving, because that would be, my car being a stick, it really doesn't matter, because I really never use these paddles. If you had auto and you know you're upshifting, downshifting, you would use it. But let me check it out before I actually install it. Nice anodized. Looks pretty good. And paddles, just to give you something to look at. It'll look a lot better if I mentioned my video about Camaro Fest about getting a new stern wheel, but this will match a lot better. Now that I think about it, I'll probably have to get new 3M tape to put these back on again. What are my gauges doing? They were just wigging out. But anyway, I'm trying to think. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get new 3M adhesive. But that steering wheel may not be as soon as I think, so I'm gonna go ahead and put these on anyway. And all you have to do is get new 3M tape, put on here, and they'll pretty much stick. It's not like these are gonna just fall off anyway. Like I said, mine being a manual, the good old 6-speed 1LE, you don't really have to worry about that too much. So I'll try to do this one-handed as best I can, or I'll set you guys up right over there. Yeah, you can see pretty decent. So there's 2 sides to this tape, double-sided of course. This is going to be my shortest install vid ever in the history of my YouTube career. You're just going to throw your 3M tape down. And I guess you want to get it good and adhered. Obviously you do, not a guess. I'm going to get it on there pretty well. Like I said, this can be reapplied. Obviously 3M tape isn't that hard to find, nor is it that expensive. It's not like you're hard mounting this to the car anyway. Double-sided tape's giving me trouble as usual. It's so hard to get started. Yeah! Sheesh! Alright. Goodness gracious. The struggle. 3M tape on there. Strong as heck. Always gives me problems. You're gonna just position it on your paddle, and it's kind of tough to squeeze it on there because the paddle wants to move, and I don't want to break my paddle on my steering wheel because it's not cheap to replace it. I actually looked into getting the red paddles that you can get on the steering wheel, like the actual rev match paddles, or I guess for the autos, the shift paddles. Kind of makes it feel kind of cool. But yeah, like I said, I was looking into getting them. They're not cheap, so I didn't do it. But that's just one paddle. I'm gonna get this other paddle on the other side, and then I'll get you guys right back. It's the same process, just 3M tape, and your paddle went away. So give me 1 second. All right, so got both paddles installed. Got your plus, your minus for you auto guys. First rev match guys, it's just which one do I like to click today, the left one or the right one, because they both do the same thing. Just turn it on and off. But it's pretty easy to grab. Like, I can click it down here. Up top it doesn't click not too bad. But I guess if you're cruising along in an auto car and you just upshift, 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 be pretty, you know, pretty useful. Instead of having to come all the way up top to grab it, you can just click it. But I know that's getting annoying. But anyway, I like it. Tell me what you think. I'll probably take some beauty shots of it so you guys can check it out. Looks pretty cool. I know there's a glare, but looks pretty good. I like it. Tell me what you guys think in the comments below. Give this video a thumbs up. I appreciate you guys for watching. This was a quick one. And now, since I got these installed, this video will be uploaded before Camaro Fest. I'll see you guys at Camaro Fest. 2 little quick mods, Pro Clip USA. Check that video out as well. Man, I appreciate you guys. This is fun. YouTube it's fun. But like I said, thank you for watching. Have a good day.